Hello and welcome to the Application for Employment Authorization Form I-765 tutorial. What is the purpose for the application for employment authorization? This form is to help and allow you to gain employment authorization before receiving your 2-year green card from the USCIS. In the Adjustment of Status packet, this form is not mandatory, but you may want to submit the application for employment authorization so you can work earlier. This form is very simple and shouldn't take you guys too long. Now let's get started. First off, let's open the USCIS.gov website, and then in the search bar type in I-765. Okay, and let's click that, and then click the form I-765 PDF. Alright, and let's open it up and make this one ready for us to fill out. Okay. Now, part 1, reason for applying, we click 1.A, initial permission to accept employment. That is our case. So we choose that one. And then part 2, your full legal name. So I write my married name in there. Other names used, just type in your maiden name if you're a female. Okay. And if you have a nickname, your legal nicknames that you used, you can always put that in there. But in my case, I put my maiden name. Alright, let's go down to part 2, information about you. Your US mailing address. In care of name, we used my husband's father. So because we're using their mailing address. Alright. We're using their mailing address just because we usually live in an apartment and we don't want USCIS to send their letters to our apartment address, so that's why we're using my father-in-law's mailing address. Alright, is your current mailing address the same as your physical address? And we said no. That's why we have to fill out this little section right there. Okay, but if your mailing address and physical address are just the same, you guys do not have to fill out this section right here. Alright, let's type in apartment building and then the city. Okay, and then state, in zip code. Other information on number 8, just type in your alien registration number. Okay. And then number 9, we just leave it blank because we don't have USCIS online account. Gender, female in my case. And then 11, marital status. I am married. So we put married in there. Have you previously filed form I-765? No. And then 13A, do you have social security number? Yes, we do have social security number. Because we said yes, then you have to provide your social security number in that little section in there. And number 14, do you want the Social Security Administration to issue you a social security card? No, we don't want them to give a social security card because we already have social security number. I already have social security number. We leave that blank from 15 to 17B because that doesn't apply to us. Okay, then your country of citizenship, Philippines on number 18.A. Alright, now to part 2, information about you, continued. Place of birth, so just type in your city and then your province and of course your country. In my case, Philippines. Date of birth. Alright, information about your last arrival in the United States, so just write your form I-94 record number. So you can just go to I-94 official website and put in your information there and they will give you your departure record number. Okay, 21B, passport number, and then travel document, we don't have that, so just leave it blank. country that issued your passport, Philippines. Expiration date for passport. So just type in your expiration date. This information should be in your passport, so this should be just easy. Date of your last arrival, and then place of your last arrival. So what place did you arrive? Okay, immigration status right now is K1 visa, and my current immigration status is still K1 visa. Okay, information about your eligibility. We are under C9, and let's go and take a look to the USCIS website and see in their instruction so that we would know why we are answering C9. Just to show, just because a lot of us are like curious, why is it under C9? So let's go to the instruction form. Okay, and let's open it up. Alright, in page 11, you guys can always read this information just so you would know for yourself. Okay, we are under adjustment of status because we are filing this I-765 with our adjustment of status application. So we are under C9. Alright, and also because we are K1 visa holder. So K1 visa holder is under C9. Alright, 28 down to 31, that doesn't apply to us because again we are under C9. Okay, we are not under this eligibility. So we'll go down to part 3, applicant statement. I can read and understand English. You click that, and then you go down to applicant's contact information. Okay, we only have phone numbers. You just type in your phone number in there, your cell phone number, and of course your email address. Alright, so after that, don't forget to sign it after you print your form and then write the date of the signature. Okay, part 4, interpreter's contact information. So it is all about the interpreter and your preparer from part 4 to part 5. So we didn't have preparers and interpreters, so just leave it blank. Okay, and down to part 6, it's just additional information, and this one will just pop up for you. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe.